Hi, hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Indian Doctor Strange. In this video, we are going to see an important condition called benign prostatic hyperplasia. It is also called as prostate enlargement. It is a non-cancerous increase in size of the prostate gland. You can see the normal size of the prostate, and in this picture the prostate is increased. Okay, it is a disease of the elderly men around the age of 60 to 65 years. Prostate gradually enlarges, creating symptoms of urinary outflow obstruction. And normal size of the prostate is 20 to 25 gram. What are the symptoms? There are two types of main symptoms: obstructive and restrictive symptoms. So obstructive symptoms, they are hesitancy, weak stream, nocturia, intermittency, UTA, urinary retention. And in BPH is mainly periurethral enlargement of prostate. On the other hand, the prostatic cancer is enlargement of the periphery of the gland. This is the main differentiating point between these two. Next, diagnosis. How can we diagnose this condition? By taking a proper history, by doing distal rectal examination, and elevated post-voidal residual urine volume can be seen by doing urine analysis. Cystoscopy have to be done, ultrasound have to be taken, PSA, BUN and creatinine level have to be taken. What are the differential diagnosis of this condition? Mainly prostatic cancer, example nodular type of cancer. To differentiate this, biopsy should be taken. And then neurogenic bladder is an important differential diagnosis. And in this, there will be a history of neurological disease will be present. And acute prostatitis, in this the prostate will be hot and tender to touch, and urethral strictures RUG have to be done, and history of STD will be present. Stone and UTA are also be a differential diagnosis for this condition. Then we are going to see about the management of this condition. First, medical management. Alpha 1 blockers have to be given, like terazosin, which relax the sphincter and prostate capsule, may increase the urine outflow by relaxing the prostatic smooth muscles. Then anti-androgens can be given, like finasteride, which is a 5-alpha reductase inhibitor, which blocks the transformation of testosterone to dihydrotestosterone, may shrink and slow the progression of BPH. The main and definitive management is surgical management. What are the indications are urinary retention, hydronephrosis, UTIs, several symptoms are the indications. TURP, which is a transurethral resection of prostate, which has to be done, which is resection of the prostate through a scope. The complications are the failure to void, bleeding, clot retention, UTI and incontinence. Transurethral incision of prostate can also be done, and open prostate resection can also be done. Thank you.